Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about empowering you to take control of your financial future. In today's video, we're diving into the essential topic of managing personal finance for beginners. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, this video is packed with practical tips and strategies. So, let's get started. 1. Importance of personal finance. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's first understand why managing personal finance is so important. Effective money management allows you to achieve your financial goals, reduce stress, and build a secure future. It's all about making conscious decisions about spending, saving, and investing. 2. Setting financial goals. The first step in managing personal finance is setting clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve in the short term and long term? Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a house, or retiring comfortably, setting specific goals will give you direction and motivation. 3. Budgeting. Budgeting is the foundation of personal finance. It helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you live within your means. Start by listing all your sources of income and categorizing your expenses. Allocate your money wisely, prioritizing essential expenses while leaving room for savings and investments. 4. Saving strategies. Saving money is crucial for building a strong financial foundation. Explore various saving strategies such as the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes toward necessities, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. Automating your savings and setting up an emergency fund are also key steps to secure your financial future. 5. Debt management. Many people face the challenge of managing debt. It's important to prioritize paying off high-interest debts like credit cards and loans. Explore debt consolidation options to simplify your repayment process. Remember, reducing and managing debt is vital for long-term financial stability. 6. Building an investment portfolio. Investing is a powerful tool for growing your wealth over time. Start by educating yourself about different investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider your risk tolerance and goals when selecting investments. Diversification and long-term perspective are key principles to follow while building an investment portfolio. 7. Tracking and reviewing progress. Regularly tracking and reviewing your financial progress is essential. Monitor your budget, savings, and investments to ensure you're on track to achieve your goals. Make adjustments as needed and celebrate milestones along the way. Remember, managing personal finance is an ongoing process. 8. Seeking professional advice. If you feel overwhelmed or unsure about certain financial aspects, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors can provide personalized guidance based on your unique circumstances and goals. They can help you navigate complex topics like tax planning, retirement planning, and investment strategies. Congratulations on completing this crash course in personal finance management for beginners. By implementing these strategies, you're taking a significant step towards financial independence. Remember, financial success is within your reach with discipline, knowledge, and perseverance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.